After your concrete has been raised, it shouldn't look like Swiss cheese. Holes should be minimal in terms of placement and size. Let's review the difference between mudjacking and polyjacking injection holes.
Here's a drawing that graphically represents the most common difference in hole size between polyurethane and mudjacking, but it's just that, a drawing. So a better way of understanding the difference between the two is to look at what's really going on. Here is an actual mudjacking nozzle alongside a polyurethane injection port. This mudjacking nozzle requires an 1 5/8" hole about the size of a golf ball. The polyurethane injection port only needs a 5/8" hole about the size of a dime. For mudjacking, the operator will stand on the injector to hold it down with their foot and pull on an attached rod to keep it wedged in there. There is no mechanical connection here. It's dependent upon the operator's ability to physically hold it down in the hole. Polyurethane is completely different. The injection gun attaches to the port by either a quick connect swivel fitting or a simple clamping mechanism, either of which provide a secure, sealed connection up to 10,000 pounds per square inch. The mudjacking nozzle is nearly 7 times the surface area than an injection port for polyurethane. So, what do actual mudjacking holes look like? Here are some pictures we took at estimates where mudjacked concrete had dropped again. It's easy to see that large patches are very noticeable, but more importantly, they run a much higher risk of failing. The large patches can crack, fall out, and leave big gaping holes. We've even seen weeds growing out of them. Here are a few photos of concrete that had been raised with polyurethane. The injection sites are hardly noticeable, and being so small, have little to no risk of failing in the future.
Polyurethane holes are much smaller than that of mudjacking holes. They're about the size of a dime. Holes for mudjacking are about 6 times the surface area of polyurethane holes. Mudjacking holes are large, and sloppy material is pumped in using a loose-fitting pipe, often held down by a mudjacker's foot. The injection process for polyurethane is neat and efficient. Polyurethane is injected through a tightly sealed injection port carefully placed into your concrete. The injection port helps deliver the polyurethane quickly, efficiently, and under a very controlled delivery system. There is no messy, slurry, or loose-fitting pipe like in mudjacking. Injection sites are hardly noticeable. Mudjacking leaves large, gaping holes which are more likely to crack and fail over time.